So this is Euro Yen analysis for Monday the 20th of August. Now, let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had price coming towards this 125. Had a move to the upside, brief pullback, plus a high low, broke above the 125.80, pullback towards the 25.80, held the support. Had this consolidation, retested 25.80, did hold the support again, and we've had this bullish move, and we've had this somewhat shallow retracement at present. We do appear to be having the bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. So if we do see this bullish momentum continue here, we are looking for a move towards that 26.84. In around 26.84, we do have that confluence of the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum come into the market from that level. If that happens to be the case, looking for a move back down towards this 25.80, from which we're looking for a move down towards 125. We previously found support, and beyond that, we're looking for 24.65 here on the euro against the yen. If, however, we do break above the 24, so break beyond the 26.84, we are looking for price move up towards the 27.56, successful break from which we may just see the far end of the range being around that 128 here on the euro against the yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the higher time frames to see how prices are developing. So here on the euro against the yen, we can see we've had a pretty strong move to the upside, sharp pullback, brief consolidation upwards, another pullback, had this retracement to the upside, and more recently we've had further sell side momentum come back into the market. So we do have our highs, lower highs, lower highs still. So we are seeing that continued retracement here to the downside on the euro yen, despite finding support. So more recently we've come down towards pretty close towards that 24.65. So we'll see whether we do have a retracement and then continuation to the downside here on the euro yen, has been the theme of the past couple of months. We'll have a look here at the weekly chart. So here on this weekly chart, you can see clear move to the upside. Had our highs pull back down towards our 200 period. Was it 200? Yes, it was a 200 period average. Brief retracement, possibly lower highs. Made new lows down towards that 124.65. Another pullback and further pullback down towards our 124, down towards our 125 actually. And we've seen a pullback from that 125. So we'll see if we can continue to maintain our bullish stance, or we will turn around and test that 24.65, possibly breaking, after which we'll be then looking for prices down towards that 123.72 and a 123.31 here on the euro against the yen. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart, let's just see where, make sure our lows are there. Our actual lows are 24.62. So I'm just going to make the adjustments here. The actual lows are 24.62. So 24.62. There we are. So we've had our lows in around 24.62. We've had this bullish move in the market. We've encountered resistance in around towards that low 130s or so. 130s, 131s. We've had this continuation to the downside. We built a bit of a base here, slightly above the 125. And from building that base in around that 125, we do appear to be holding at 25.80. So if we continue to hold beyond 25.80, looking for a retest of 26.84, a successful break from which, looking for a stronger retracement to the upside here on the euro yen, while being cautious because the overall trend more recently has been to the downside, especially from a monthly time frame perspective. Had a bit of a pullback here on the euro against the yen. And with that said, I suppose we do have a somewhat higher low there. But with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.